your
Yeah.
situation, in your area, with your expertise, with your background, with your network, you're going to have nothing but success.
I tell you, another huge piece though that came from your video that you were talking about that I felt was the not wanting to let everything else go, right? To key down, because you're like, okay, I'm shooting universities, I'm shooting, all these other things, but I'm shooting one-offs here, one-offs there. I'm getting money, but I'm not getting the money that I want to be getting for it, right? I don't even want to be worrying about budget on a project. I want to be worrying about how we turn this project out,
Right.
how we turn it up and how it's going to look. But having to be able to say, you know what, I'm going to keep having that same dilemma unless I just dig into where I want to be.
Fact.
And I've had a situation where I had 1 month where I had several clients that were lowball clients. And I had 1 month where I had one client, which covered my whole month. I was like, oh yeah, this is a sign.
Facts.
So yeah, so I dig into your niche. If you ain't got it, it's work. Like I said, and we're looking at what, 1 year, 2 year. I've been out here working, but getting it just now. Oh, I'm pumped. I'm pumped.
And by having a background, like you are kind of your own first beta client a little bit. Like where they go, where nurses go to learn about more information. Who they like, where they're reading up, where they're staying up to date, what they trust. Like these things. So marketing is gonna be a breeze. Like it's so much easier by having a niche that you've lived in and worked in for years. You are technically your first beta client. And that's perfect. It gets no better than that.